Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So, first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the heart rate icon and tap on it. It will open the heart rate widget and the watch will start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor and wait. It takes a couple of seconds for the result to appear, so let's wait. And here we have our result. You can also swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through different data. We have the resting heart rate, we have the heart rate zones and stuff like that. Okay, of course, for this data to be relevant or appear at all, you need to wear the watch for longer periods of time for data to gather. As you can see, for now I have only zeros right here and we don't have the resting heart rate on the graph too much because we don't have the data. But if you're gonna wear your watch, the data will appear right here and you will see the results. Okay, and once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.